Hey y'all, I'm gonna be showing you my Stream Deck that I got for Christmas. Yeah. So, first button I've got here is the apps button. I'll click that, and it's got everything. It's got my Google Chrome, it's got my Opera GX, files, sound recorder, which I'm recording on right now, VC Face, which is what I track my VTuber with, OBS, Streamlabs Desktop, Stream Deck, the app to organize this, and then Steam and Discord. That's all. Okay, then I've got sounds, which is it just plays sounds and then stop audio. Literally all that is. Just a soundboard. Links, Fujitech, which is how I get the PNG tuber. Twitch, YouTube, Discord. Just boom, deafen, mute, just like a link to one of my channels, another one right here, and then share screen. That's all. Screenshot, which just takes this screenshot on my thing. Show desktop, which just oh, hold up. Oopsie. Okay, show desktop just shows my desktop. Alright. Volume buttons all down here. Twitch just helps me with Twitch stuff. YouTube helps me with YouTube stuff. Streamlabs, all of my different transitions and stuff. Go live, record, another transition thing. Same with OBS, but different because I'm cooler. Steam just helps me with Steam stuff, and yeah, I'll be uploading a room tour soon, but just